Hello students, let us read this question. Show that the modulus function from f r to r given by f of x equals to mod x is neither 1 1 nor onto, where mod x is x if x is positive or 0 and mod x is negative x if x is negative. So in this question we need to prove that the modulus function is neither 1 1 nor onto. So first let us understand what do we mean by 1 1 or onto function. So for 1 1 function, we take any two elements from the domain and we assume that f of x1 equals to f of x2. Now after assuming that, if we get the condition that x1 equals to x2, then we can say that f is 1 1 function. Similarly, for onto function, we assume that of x to be equal to y, where y belongs to a particular domain. Then if for every value of y there exist x such that the condition that f of x is equal to y is satisfied, then we can say that such function is onto function. So let us see whether the given function satisfies this property or not. So our function is f of x equals to mod x, and the value of this function will be positive when x is greater than or equal to 0, and it is equal to minus x when x is less than 0. So first let us check whether it is 1 1 or not. So for 1 1 we will assume two elements for the function. So let us calculate f of 1. So it will be mod of 1, and mod of 1, since it is positive, it will be equal to 1. And let us calculate mod of minus 1. Since it is negative, so mod of negative number is also positive number. So from here we can say that f of 1 and f of minus 1 is equal, but we can say that 1 is not equal to minus 1. So we can say that since f of 1 and f of minus 1 is equal, but 1 and minus 1 are not equal, we can say that therefore f is not 1 1 function. Similarly, let us assume that for onto, we will assume that let f of x equal to y. So therefore y will be equal to mod of x. Now we know that x will be, and here y will belong to real number. Now so therefore we can say that y will be defined. So y is defined for positive values only. But we can see that y belongs to a real number. So we can say that, but y can be negative also. So if y is negative, we cannot get the corresponding element of x. Since we are not getting corresponding element of x for value of y, so therefore we can say that therefore f is not onto function. So from this we can say that the modulus function is neither 1 1 nor onto function. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.